Hello lovely people, welcome back to our channel guys. My name is O'Neill and you are watching the Jamaican Canadian Family Channel. Today guys, I am going to prepare some banana fritters, some real Jamaican banana fritters. So for those of you who do not know how to prepare your nice banana fritters, let me take you from start to finish. Now here I have some nice lovely banana. These are organic banana, but you can use any kind of banana once it is ripe. So let's get started guys. So here I have my container and I am going to peel the bananas. Now after you finish peeling your banana, this is granulated sugar. You don't have to put this in your banana fritters, but because I am making this for my kids, they love it this way, so I'm going to add some granulated sugar in my fritters. This is 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, so I am just going to crush, I should say, the banana and let it and the granulated sugar just come together. So it takes a little time guys, but when it is all completed, it is lovely. So you just crush your banana like this, crush them out. I have never blended my banana before when I am doing the fritters, but I'm going to try it sometime and see how it comes out. Okay guys, now I finished crush my banana, so I'm going to switch from my fork to my spoon, and I'm going to add some spices to my banana. So I have my sugar already. This is rose water, so I'll add a teaspoon of rose water. This is vanilla, that's 2 teaspoons. This is nutmeg, and here is some salt. Okay, so we're going to mix all of this together. All of these, let them combine. Mix it all up. And you can add whatever spice you choose guys. The flour. Now you can add baking powder to this if you want, but I choose not to because I don't want my fritters to rise. I just want the natural banana fritters. And if you notice, I haven't crushed it right out, is because when I am eating it, I like to taste the real banana fritters. My grandmother used to make this for me, and it's so funny. I am making it for my kids, and they love it guys. So you just take your time when you're adding the flour, little by little. You add a little, then you mix it up. So you mix and add as you go along. Okay guys, all my ingredients, they are all in this and they are all together. This is how it is looking when I mix everything together. You don't want it too watery and you don't want it too thick. You just want it to have a nice blend. Okay guys, this is my pan. I turn on my stove, I put it on 8. The oil of my choice is natural coconut oil. I love using this oil because it gives the food a nice flavor as well. You're just going to take your spoon and put some nice drop. Yes. Yes. That's how they are when I turn them. See, they have the nice brown looking color. Nice guys. Okay guys, I'm going to prepare along with my fritters some ackee and pork skin. Back home we call this pork skin, but here we call it pork belly slice. It have some meat here and it have the pork skin here, so it is just perfect for what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to slice these in some nice portion like this. These portions, they are good enough. Just like this. Yes, and all those who know about pork skin and ackee will already know that this is going to be delicious. So nice cuts, right? You don't want them too big, you don't want them too small. Okay guys, here I have my pan for my pork skin with just a little bit of oil, and I just going to sear because it have a lot of fat. I don't need a lot of oil to do what I'm doing here. Yes. Yes guys, give it a nice color. Just want it to sear. Okay guys, so everything is done. I'm going to put them back, but I have to remove all the oil because they burn a lot of oil. So we put this back just like this. And these are all my seasoning guys. My onion, my peppers, my garlic, my thyme. I'm just going to put everything inside here. Let everything just fall in love, guys. Yeah. Good. Pimento seed. And this is just flavor, guys. The pimento seed have a flavor to it that it is very nice. So I'm just going to make my seasoning cook, and then I add my ackee. Okay guys, this is my ackee, and I'll just put it like this. This is black pepper. You have more light on your black pepper. The black pepper go well with the ackee. And I'll put a little salt and just let everything just come together like this, guys. What the better way to start the day with a nice dish. So there you have it, guys. My ackee and my pork skin, it's all done. Look at that, guys. Yes, guys, it is all done. This is how my meal is looking. This is my ackee right here. This is my pork skin. And this is my Jamaican banana fritters. I hope you guys enjoy this meal. Please don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and tell me what do you think about my meal. Until next time, guys, always walk good, have a wonderful week, and let God be the head of your life, guys. Until next time, see you in the next video, my friends.